Hello, my name is Edna Julien and the Institute of the English in UNAD University. If I could find any job, I'd think what to be a singer. I'd think the because I like so much music and the good like visiting the countries and the making tours and the concert in different cities around the world like Paris, Roma, New York, etc. But underside de las jodas high walls and the acoustic assistant that I had the organized finance information of the company and the is also had to plan the you legend. This you was important because is now escaping to learn and the new opportunity need people visit and the was able to learn to wait and the priest things for writing this very silly part.